My name is Venice Margarette Lorejas, a grade 12 STEM Newton student. And today, I will be discussing about the phase transition of matter. But before that, what is matter? Matter is the stuff of the universe. Air, glass, pen, rocks, planets, even you are made up of matter. Matter is defined as anything that has mass and takes up space. There are different states of matter. We have solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. First, we have solid. A solid has both a definite shape and a definite volume. Its particles are tightly packed together. Liquid. A liquid has a definite volume but takes the shape of the container. Its particles are loosely packed. Third, we have gas. Gas molecules are widely dispersed and move freely. They offer no resistance to change of shape and little resistance to change of volume. Fourth, we have plasma. It consists of highly charged particles with extremely high kinetic energy. Examples are the noble gases. They are often used to make glowing signs by using electricity to ionize them to the plasma state. Lastly, we have Bose-Einstein condensate. It is a state of matter in which separate atoms or subatomic particles cooled to near absolute zero. Example of this is a liquid helium. The three most common states of matter found here on Earth are solid, liquid, and gas. These states of matter can often be changed by the addition or subtraction of heat energy. An example of it is the melting of ice. Such a change of a substance from one state to another is what we call a change of state or phase transition. Take note that it is a physical change. Though physical properties of the substances are altered, but its chemical composition remains unchanged. Melting is the change of a solid to the liquid state. Melting is also referred to as fusion. An example of melting is the melting of snow and ice as it changes into a liquid water. Next, we have freezing. Freezing is a change of a liquid to the solid state. The freezing of liquid water to ice is a common example. The casting of a metal object involves the melting of the metal, then its freezing in a mold. Vaporization. It is the change of solid or a liquid to the vapor. There are two types of vaporization. Evaporation, in which occurs at the surface of a liquid that is not boiling, and boiling, which is rapid vaporization of liquid at the boiling point. An example, we have evaporation of water or refrigerant and boiling of water for tea. Condensation is a change of a gas to either the liquid or the solid state. The change of vapor to solid is sometimes called deposition. Dew is liquid water formed by condensation of water vapor from the atmosphere. Frost is solid water formed by direct condensation of water vapor from the atmosphere without first forming liquid water. Snow is formed by a similar process in the upper atmosphere. When a substance that is normally a gas, such as carbon dioxide, changes to the liquid state, The phase transition is often referred to as liquefaction. Again, the phase transition from gas to liquid state is what we call condensation liquefaction. Examples are formation of dew and liquefaction of carbon dioxide. Meanwhile, the phase transition from gas to solid state is what we call condensation deposition. Example, we have formation of frost and snow. The change of a solid directly to the vapor is specifically referred to as sublimation. Although the vapor pressure of many solids is quite low, some have appreciable vapor pressure. Ice, for instance, has a vapor pressure of 4.7 millimeter of mercury at 0 degrees Celsius. For this reason, a pile of snow slowly disappears in winter, even though the temperature is too low for it to melt. The snow is being changed directly to water vapor. Sublimation can be also used to purify solids that readily vaporize. Freeze drying of foods is a commercial application of sublimation. Brewed coffee, for example, is frozen and placed in a vacuum to remove water vapor. The ice continues to sublime until it is all gone, leaving freeze-dried coffee. Most freeze-dried foods are easily reconstituted by adding water. We have here a diagram that summarizes the different phase transition. Just a short recap, matter exists in various forms or phases. If the temperature or pressure, or both the temperature and pressure of a sample of matter is adjusted, the matter may undergo what we call a phase transition. During a phase transition, matter shifts between its three states: solid, liquid, and gas. That would be all. I hope you learned something during our discussion. Thank you and goodbye.